Hello student, this is video number 7 for class 10th objective type question for the CBSE final board examination 2022-23 preparation. Now come to the 91 question. In this video we will solve question number 91 to 105. Now come to the question number 91. Which of the following oxide of the iron, here is a term, iron metal is given, would be obtained on the prolonged reaction of iron with steam? All of you know that generally this one is based on a reactivity series. Whenever a metal, reactive metals react with the water, simple, this is a cold water, we can say that, and they will form hydroxide, metal hydroxide, plus they will release a hydrogen gas. And whenever another metal like a magnesium react with the hot water, and they will also produce magnesium hydroxide and hydrogen gas in this one also. In the reactive metal like calcium, potassium, sodium, and calcium, these metals react with the cold water. Please be remember, these react with the cold water. And the metal magnesium will react with the hot water. This is hot water. Now, whenever we discuss about the hot water, and now whenever we discuss about the iron comes in the moderate reactive metals. So iron does not react with the either cold water or a hot water. It reacts with the steam water. Steam means gas. So whenever steam water react with the metal, they will form metal oxide, not a hydroxide. Please be remember this one first, they will form a metal oxide, not hydroxide. So iron will form Fe3O4 in this one, and it will release a hydrogen gas. Clear? So in this one, iron is given, iron will react with the steam, means gases form, and it will form a metal oxide and release a hydrogen gas. But reactive metals will react with a water, either cold or a hot water, they will form hydroxide and release the hydrogen gas. So iron, moderate reactivity, you can say that aluminium, zinc, and Fe, these three metal react with the steam water, H2O steam, and they will form metal oxide, and they will release a hydrogen gas. Please be remember, in the book is directly written कि metal react with the water, they will form metal hydroxide plus hydrogen gas, but it's not true everywhere. It depends on the reactivity series. So in this case, iron react with steam water and they will form Fe3O4. The option is a 3, C1 correct. Okay. Now come to the next question. If a few drop of a concentrated acid accidentally spilled over the hand of the student, what should be done? Okay, was the hand with a saline solution? First one, was the hand immediately with penalty of water and apply the paste of sodium hydroxide, sodium hydrogen carbonate? C, after washing with penalty of water, apply solution of sodium hydroxide on the hand, neutralize the acid with a strong alkali. Please be remember कि whenever acid is fallen your hand, first we need to put a water only, nothing else. You wash your hand with the water because you know if you will add the alkali, means strong base. So acid plus base will react, they will form a salt, and water plus huge amount of energy also release, and this energy will burn our hand. Please be remember. So this is not a correct answer. Next, come to the C. After washing with the penalty of water, supply the solution of sodium hydroxide. So you know the sodium hydroxide is strong base, and strong base are the corrosive in nature. So C also wrong answer. B option, he wash the hand immediately with penalty of the water and apply paste of sodium hydrogen carbonate. Yes, this is the weak basic in nature. This is weak basic in nature, basic. And first we are using the penalty of water and then small amount of acid. So this is the correct answer. And wash the hand with the saline solution? No, this is also wrong. So your answer is a B is correct. Whenever you, in your hand or anywhere the acid will fall, first you need to penalty of the water, and then you need to add into the weak basic nature substances, not as strong. Strong are a very harmful for body part. Now come to the next question. Oil on treating with the hydrogen in the presence of the palladium and the nickel catalyst form fat as shown in the figure. Vegetable oil, hydrogen, nickel and cadmium, and this is storing substance and stick margin, whatever it is, tub and this one. So since if you know ki whenever we are saying oil on treating with the hydrogen, this is the whenever oil and fat the hydrogen is present, and this is the based on the first one, addition reaction. Whenever any addition reaction is happening, means oil are unsaturated oils are unsaturated hydrocarbon, and unsaturated carbons react with the hydrogen in the presence of nickel or either a palladium at a 200 degrees centigrade temperature. They become a saturated. So one question is here कि how to convert unsaturated to saturated by the addition reaction, hydrogenation or hydrogen reaction with the hydrogen aldehyde. And second, and please be remember कि hydrogenation reaction, if you remember, is used for vegetable oil to vegetable ghee. This reaction very important in this NCERT. So this one is unsaturated. This is an addition reaction. Second one unsaturated to saturated, and third one is vegetable oil to vegetable ghee. And this is the important question. So which one is your answer in this one? This is the addition reaction. Now you write, whenever you are going to write alkene, unsaturated is alkene, CH2 plus hydrogen in the presence of the nickel, and it will form CH3 single bond CH3. This bond will break, one hydrogen will add this side, one hydrogen. Now it has become CH3 single bond CH3. This is ethene and this is ethene. Now they can ask you question how to convert ethene to ethane. So this is addition reaction. Please be remembered. Come to the next question. What happens when solution of an acid is mixed with a solution of a base in a jar? A solution shows in the figure. So what I told you, कि whenever any acid react with the base, they always form a salt plus water, and they will release energy. If the reaction is releasing the energy release, and this means this reaction is exothermic. This reaction is exothermic in nature. Exothermic. Second one, this reaction also called neutralization reaction. If it is an exothermic reaction, so temperature of the solution will increase. Please be remember these points. So salt formation takes place. Yes, this is the correct, because in this reaction acid plus base the salt is formed. That reaction and energy is released, so temperature will increase. The temperature of the solution decreases. No, the temperature of the solution is increases. Yes. So 1 and 4 is your correct answer. The correct answer is D. Now come to the next question. Which of the following reaction characterized by the yellow color of the product? So whenever yellow color is coming, so which one is a, first thing, KCl is a yellow in color. No, this is a colorless. This is a salt. Clear? This is the Na2SO4. No, this is also a white in color. This is white. And ZnSO4, white color. So what is the remaining? PbO. PbO is yellow in color. Please be remember, which of the following reaction is characterized by the yellow color product? So PbO is a yellow in color, and this is decomposition reaction. And this one is displacement reaction. And the next one is, you can say that reaction of metal carbonate, evolution of the carbon dioxide gas, or acid base neutralization reaction, you can say that. And this is also a thermal decomposition reaction. Now come to the next question. So option A is correct here. Now come to the next question. The statement of the law of conservation of mass. What is the statement of the law? The mass of reactant should equal to the mass of product. Okay, so mass can neither be created nor be distorted. This is a true. So mass of reactant should be equal to the mass of product, means mass neither be created nor be distorted, but it change one form to another one. Mass can be created nor distorted. No, neither created. No, mass of the body cannot be remain same. No, none of these. So what is your answer? Answer is A is correct. This is a easy question. Now come to the next question. 97. The reaction between carbon and oxygen can be represented at C solid plus O2 gas, heat, CO2 plus heat. Okay. In which of the following type of reaction above the reaction? This one is the combination reaction. C plus O2 form a single product. So this is a combination reaction. Second one, in this reaction, heat is released plus heat. So it means exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. So now first one is a combination reaction. Yes, correct. Displacement reaction, no. Endothermic reaction, no. Combination reaction, yes. So A and D are correct. So what C option is correct answer. Now come to the next question. Silver article become black on prolonged exposure to air, and as shown in the figure, this is due to the formation of. Please be remember, whenever silver react with air, in air H2S also gas is present. H2S, yeah, any sulfur, H2SO4, SO2. So these are react with silver and it form Ag2S. So please be remember, whenever it turns into the black color, so silver converted to its sulfide ore, nothing else. So it will form sulfide ore. So what is your correct answer? Correct answer is C. Now come to the next. Which of the following is used for the dissolution of the gold? Hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, aqua regia. Aqua regia is the correct answer. What is the aqua regia? Aqua regia is the mixture of the HCl and HNO3 in the ratio of 3:1. In the ratio of 3:1. This is the concentrated HCl and concentrated HNO3 in the ratio of 3:1. That is called aqua regia, which is used to dissolve the noble metal. Used to dissolve noble metals. And aqua regia also called royal water. Please be remember, royal water. The another name of the aqua regia is royal water. Now come to the next. A molecule of the ammonia has one single bond, only double bond, only triple bond, two double bond, and one single bond. Okay, only triple bond, only. Whenever you make the ammonia dot structure, what the ammonia structure NH3, and you will find out one lone pair and three bond pair. Only single bonds. So here is any double bond is there? No. This is a single bond. This is a single bond. This is, so only the single bond are present. Two double bond, no. Only double bonds, no. Triple bond, no. So what is your correct answer? Correct answer is A. Now come to the next question, 101. Which of the following are correctly matched? Baking powder. What is the bleaching powder? Okay. Bleaching powder formula is CaOCl2. Baking powder NaHCO3. NaHCO3. Washing soda Na2CO3 dot 10H2. Please be remember. So bleaching is an oxidizing agent, chemical in industry. Yes, this is a correct. A mixture of a sodium hydrogen carbonate and a mild edible acid. Yes, baking powder, whenever in a baking soda, if we add a mild edible substances, that will change into the baking powder. Okay, washing soda remove permanent hardness of water. Yes, this is washing soda. Yes, correct. Washing soda remove the permanent hardness of water. So all the three are correct. So your answer is D option. Now come to the next question. This is important one. Again I'm saying this reaction name is the thermite reaction. Thermite reaction, and this is used to joining the railway track and the heavy tool machine. Used to join railways track and heavy tool machine. Okay, first one, this above reaction is an example of combination reaction, no. Double displacement reaction, no. Decomposition reaction, no. This is a displacement reaction. Aluminium is displacing the iron, so this is the displacement reaction. So reaction is D is correct answer. Now come to the next question, 103. In this one, the necessary condition for the combustion process to occur. What are the necessary? Availability of the air or oxygen, yes. Availability of oxygen and a fuel, this also correct. Temperature of a fuel below ignition temperature. Temperature of a fuel and the temperature of a fuel above ignition temperature. So temperature of a fuel should be a below. So what is C is a correct, and availability of air and fuel both be required. Option number 2 and option 2 is correct. Availability of air, oxygen, temperature of a fuel below ignition temperature. Temperature of a fuel below ignition temperature. This is a correct. Number 3 is correct. And second one, availability of air and oxygen for the burning, the main condition is this one, correct. So 1 and 3 is your correct answer. So 3 and 1. So option number C is correct. Now come to the next question. 104. Which of the following is not a chemical reaction? Which one is not a chemical reaction? Souring of a milk, this is a chemical reaction. This is a dissolution of sugar in a water. Rusting of iron is a chemical reaction. Digestion of food in a body, this is also chemical reaction. So which is not a dilution of the dissolution of the sugar in a water? So B option is your correct answer here. The ability of a metal, the last question for the today, the ability of a metal to be drawn into the thin wire is known as ductility, malleability, sonority, and conductivity. Which one is a correct answer? This question for you, because this is the class 8th question. Please tell me the answer and comment in the box. Thank you so much for watching, and in the next video we will discuss 106 to 120 question. Thank you for watching.